to let
Welcome to Veeology. Veeology. Hello everyone and welcome back to Veeology. Well, today I am bringing you a southern dish and I am going to show you very easy how to do this with simple ingredients and will be done in a matter of time. So you want to know what this is, stay tuned. So guys, today I am going to be cooking some southern baked turkey wings. And this, you will see I use very simple ingredients that you can have ready in your own home as of right now. So the ingredients are as follows: your turkey wings, a sweet onion, and seasoning, and of course you know you're going to use water. So guys, with this basic, you will see at the end my turkey wings are not very dark. I prefer them not really dark. I like them like light. I don't like my skin crispy. But guys, in this one you will see how to do it in a matter of time. Your turkey wings will be on your plate. So if you're ready to get into this, let's go. So here as follows, you have your turkey wings, and I did find them on sale. A sweet onion, and you know I cook always with grill mates, so I have maple barbecue and smokehouse maple. Here is my knife to cut my onions, and here is my pan. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is peel and cut one sweet onion.
You don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, baby.
The next thing, get your pan ready and make sure that you have your turkey wings fully washed. Line them in your pan as you like.
You don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah.
Add 4 cups of water.
Like I'm a rookie, looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah.
Let's add your sweet onions all over your turkey.
Now, and you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill, that's easy. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now, all up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a brand out now.
Add whatever type seasoning of your choice.
Right now, don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. No, why don't we just take the stacks and go to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable.
I'm going to preheat my oven at 350 degrees. Cover with aluminum foil and make sure all edges are tight.
People, yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, baby acting Gucci, like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you
slide it in your oven, and I cooked mine for 2 hours.
Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill that's
So 2 hours are up, so let's check out turkey. Yes, look at that turkey.
I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now. All up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that.
I love to do the poke test, and as you can tell, these are so tender.
Friends right now. You don't have to let the money come.
Oh, yeah.
Feel us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah.
Look at all the seasonings on this turkey. Can you say yummy? Yes.
With the Italian stallions, You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go?
If you have something that you would like for me to cook, leave it in the comments and I will get it done. Bye guys.
Oh my God.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't